Hi there, welcome to a drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a book on a pencil. Here you can see that I'm using my brown pen and my ruler to draw the book. First of all, you have to draw a straight line. And now, one tiny line. Another one. Let's connect them. I'm coloring the book with brown pen. Let's draw a rectangle, and I will draw a few lines so that it will look like there's something written on the cover of the book. Now I'm using my pink pen. A little bit of yellow color. I'm using my black pen a bit, and I'm using yellow color. I'm coloring the cover of the book with brown pencil. Now let's draw the pencil. To draw the pencil, I'm using my black pen. Let's draw some straight lines. It's a tiny eraser here. I'm coloring this part with my pencil. I'm using my black pen to draw the nib of the pencil. I'm coloring the pencil with my black pen. And in the middle, I'm using yellow color. I'm using a little bit of orange. My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.